guys. Okay, I'm going to do a video on how to put the cup turner together that I got from the pink purple monkey, the starter kit. I did a video back. I will link it in the description if you guys want to see the whole what come in the kit. So this is the turner. So let's open it up, and then we have the cup turner kit user manual. We have the tools, we have the noodles or the styrofoams. Whoop. We have some popsicle sticks. I recommend in the beginning, this is perfect to use to get to know your epoxy and everything. But in the future, I suggest to get some metal stirrers. It's awesome. So we have the drying rack. Here's the sticks for the drying rack and the turner. And here's the base. Okay, so let's move the box. You can always keep that paper. Here is the motor. Okay. With this, keep the rubber band. Let's see. This. The tools need to be in here, so we're going to need, this is silicone, don't need these yet. Okay, so I'm going to put this back in so we don't lose it. So we have a Phillips screwdriver and a wrench and some screws. So let's get going. Now we need to screw this in. Okay, so let's try this with one hand. Yeah, nice. It's supposed to be a easy assembling. I'm not going to do it all the way in. There you go. That's the first part. Now we have to screw these in. Is there a certain way to keep it? I guess not. So go. See, I didn't want to, I could have used a electric drill on this thing, but yeah, that wouldn't be fair because I'm trying to do a video to show you just coming from the box that you don't need any tools, just what came in the box. Makes sense? Like I said, it's supposed to be all-in-one starter kit. Okay, we got this. Now we did this, this, and this. Now we're on 4. Use the M3 screws and nuts to connect the motor. Connect it to the motor, okay? Are they both the same? So, put it here. Put that in there. And then you just screw it in. Yeah. It's supposed to be easy to screw in, right? With my big old jumbo fingers. That's what this is for. Or you can hold it like this, okay, and take your screwdriver and tighten it up. Wasn't that so easy? Okay, that's the first part. We're done, done, and done. That's it, guys. So now let's see if it works. I gotta get my extension cord. Okay. Good thing I had the extension cord plugged in. Let's go. It works. You see it turning? Hey, that's me. My extension cord sucks, by the way. See? That's me, not the equipment. I just don't want to unplug the lights to just plug this in. But there you go, guys. And look, stops. Starts again. Stop. Oh, and did you notice that, guys? It does clockwise and counterclockwise. See, watch. Going this way. Oh, wait a minute. And it's going back that way. Awesome. Okay, so that is done. Now that I'm done playing, let me put together the dry rack. All you have to do is, that's it. This extra one is when you want to take this off to put it on the dry rack. You just unscrew it and put it back, put it on here. This is an extra piece, so we don't need it. I thought you had to connect it in there, but we don't. So that's it. Keep those for safekeeping. Keep. I like to keep all my tools. You never know when you might need it again. I like to keep the directions. I know I can't be the only one that does that. Okay. Now I can put this one on here for a big one. That's for a big cup, and this is for a smaller cup. I don't have a cup. Yes, I do. This is a good size for this one. Okay. Do I have another one that I can show you? This one. It's a batch job, but this is just a spray paint. I need to spray paint it again, but this is good for this size. So I give it a thumbs up. So guys, again, if you guys are interested in this, I will link. It's, I just forgot the name. Pink Purple Monkey in the description, so you guys can go check it out if you guys are interested in making tumblers. So with that being said, until the next video, bye.